We're here for a new frontier of Linexability.
Damn,
I don't know what
I
that
just gave you my backpack.
So we're here today at Mike's Truck Accessories of the Bay Area. And we're gonna ask if they can do something new for us today, which is Linex a snowboard. Not the skate variety, the snow variety. So we're going to Tahoe this weekend. We have a resort that is bringing us out there called Sierra at Tahoe. We're gonna Linex a snowboard and see how it snowboards.
Go ahead.
We are here with the new frontier, the future of Linex. We're gonna go snowboarding this weekend. Figured, why not see how Linex acts on the snow? And technically, if we Linex this thing, it'll be indestructible forever.
And we can skate it again.
Exactly.
Sounds good, man.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Do you enjoy the smell of tires? I enjoy.
I did too.
They smell nice.
That did smell nice.
I got you, fam. You're gonna be okay. The best thing is that when we first started coming there, they just asked so many questions and they were so confused and just didn't know what was going on. And now that we've been back there multiple times, they're just like, yeah, been there, done that. And I'm just like, dude, we're the best. After all day, I finally want to be in a video.
Wow.
Finally.
I know, because we have the best video. We saved the best one for last.
I'm so excited about this. You're gonna
Finally.
be hyped on this.
Yes, I am really stoked.
Hopefully you're actually stoked, because every time I show you anything Linex, you shut it down.
We're gonna snowboard on a television. Just kidding. They won't let us do that because it's broken glass all over the snow, and that would not be safe. So instead, we've brought you the world's first, the only, ever, in the history, Linex snowboard.
Wow.
Let's go.
Look at the plugs, dude.
Thanks to Mike's Truck Accessories, Linex coating of the Bay Area, 925-272-7666, Hayward, California, Mike'sTruck.org for Linexing this snowboard.
Doesn't that feel nice?
Doesn't it? Yes.
So what do you think about the edge and everything?
I think there's no edge, and that's gonna be real scary.
Okay, so I'm gonna let you try it first, and then once I deem it safe, I will try it.
And then how are we gonna hit the rail? Is it just gonna stick?
Dude, you know this is slippery.
Is it?
Yeah. Put it on the ground, see what happens.
The world's first indestructible snowboard.
It's still flexy too.
Yeah. This is the snowboard that I snowboarded at a skate park. Ouch! Oh! Just so you guys know.
Lake Street.
Yep.
All right, Aaron.
All right, it's the world's first indestructible snowboard, right?
Yeah.
I mean, is that not right? So, first of all, I want to just see. I don't know why, I'm just curious. Dude, I'm telling you, it sticks. Yeah. Although Linex on the trucks was like the fastest thing ever, but this feels sticky to me. I bet when you're going fast, though, it doesn't matter. What do? We just give it a run.
Yeah.
Look at this Linex snowboard. Wow. Dial 1-800-LINEX and get your snowboard now. Wow. Even after all of that, his hair is absolutely perfect.
Gorgeous.
Look up for Tech. Oh, wow. Look at that.
Yes. Yeah.
Nothing but pure butane.
I'm about to pass out.
And butane.
Go. Are you guys gonna race?
Not gonna race, but you know, we're gonna do a trick off.
Nice.
Yeah.
Trick off.
Trick off. Linex. Give me a good like Hawaiian war cry.
Man, I don't know. We got the chee-hoo.
Hawaiian war cry.
Give me my mask back. It's cold.
Yeah, you do.
Let's do this thing.
It feels like it's set up to go left foot forward, but we're right foot forward. That's okay. Chee-hoo. Kind of feels like the skateboard, to be honest. Like it has no edges and it just goes everywhere. He's hitting the rail.
Oh my god. Ooh, and he still landed it.
Dude.
Oh.
Yeah, no edges. There's no edges. This might be the world's first perfect park board.
Not want edges in parkboard?
Yeah.
Is it slippery though?
I don't know how to tell.
Oh, dude, that's sick.
We're going.
Filming snowboarding is extremely hard.
Yes, Gabe's first film.
That was the hardest thing I've ever done. I almost died 4 times.
I know. I was gonna do a 360, and then by the time I got to the jump, I was fully stopped.
The camera throws off my balance.
Right. It's still like perfectly pristine. Yeah, this is what we needed the bungee for. Oh, next time.
Damn. Why didn't I bring the bungee?
Yeah. So I think we do a couple tricks and we try and break this thing. What do you think?
Yeah, I agree.
See if it breaks?
Yeah.
I think just a regular snowboard on its own is really hard to break. Fetty Potter though. It's got a lot of anger issues. I did way more tricks on this snowboard at a skate park than I will do on this snowboard at a snow park. Think about that.
Agreed.
Who's up next? McNugget for the run.
How's it differ from like an actual snowboard?
It's not. It's perfect.
So the edge is like still there. It's just
Yeah,
not
it's
as
great.
prominent.
It's fantastic.
He's setting me up for disaster.
No, it's not bad.
Okay.
You'll see.
It's just a little bit.
Yeah, it's good. It's Line X. You wanna go commentary this? Fetty going up there. It's so funny to see them on something that they're not like completely incredible at.
Isn't it funny?
Yeah, because any like little thing and they're like, here we are. Every now and then I get a little bit closer. I want to stand underneath that and hit it and make the snow fall on my head. Well, Fetty?
Hi.
You like your new board?
Yeah.
Pretty sick, huh?
It's so sick.
Thank you, Santa Cruz. Thank you. You guys are rad. So, if you don't fall, don't worry. Gabe will fall on you. Okay. Oh no, he did. Stop. Somebody just farted again.
Well, that was extremely exhilarating.
You know, for the people that didn't get it.
There's too much friction on the bottom of this, so it's not ideal for going fast.
When did this get so perfectly groomed again? We can make it cool by having Fetty break it. Is it actually snowing? I think it's actually snowing.
It is. It's been snowing for like 5 minutes.
What the fork? What is going on here? I can't drive in this.
Is it not supposed to snow or what?
It wasn't supposed to snow today.
Oh.
It's snowing and everyone is freaking losing their minds, including myself. This is awesome.
Carlos!
He's been training all day.
Still can't freaking stop.
But he can grind a rail, so can we really be mad at him?
Peel the layer of Line-X off on the bottom, and then it can actually be snowboarded, but you have the top layer of Line-X still.
Wow, you're a brilliant man.
Not very fast at all.
By the time you get there, you stop. The Line-X board sucks. We're breaking. That's it. The Line-X board will not ride down a hill. We're breaking it. Scared. You're scared. You can't break it.
I'm not scared, just tired.
He can't even defend himself. This is so sad.
I know. Are you okay? Kind
Probably
of thinking it'd be a good idea to move.
Yep.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Ooh.
So let's get a
I've
practice.
been knocking on some
Three,
snow
two,
mountain.
like that.
Jumping
over it.
Jump a little bit.
What? They're gonna die. They're gonna die.
Perfect. We're either gonna break this board or slip out really bad.
Here, this is a bad idea, Gabe.
Drill.
This is a bad idea.
Put it right here.
Yeah, put it right in the front.
Ready?
I'm gonna leave this right here.
Here, I'll just hold it like this and then ready?
I've never seen snow like this before. I would just like to say I am feeling very magical right now.
You're always magical though.
It's Christmas.
It's music to my ears.
Okay, break that.
3, 2, 1.
You got that.
Yeah, we were working on this.
You
So
jump
is
down.
this gonna break or are we just gonna die?
It's gonna break.
It's gonna break. All right, slam it as hard as you can. I'm gonna do the same.
All right.
Okay.
In
3. No.
3, 2, 1.
That went very well.
I mean, we really tried. I don't know if it's gonna. Did we get any
You
damage?
hit me in the butt. Let's try the other way.
2, 1. You think that's gonna be? Yeah, we'll try it. Okay.
It looks like we're in the upside down.
Welcome to the future.
3, 2, 1. Okay, it's not breaking.
Okay.
This is. We ripped the sticker.
We did something.
Wow, they're so smart that they added extra layers of their sticker.
Oh wow. It even sticks in the snow.
2, 1. That'll do it. Just get a good solid line all the way across, and then it might actually have a breaking point.
What?
How did no one bring the pickaxe?
All the way around.
Yeah, there we go. Oh, why is that so satisfying? Wow.
Alright, now jump on it.
Yeah, just get one solid line.
Wait, Line X is
Get
coming
one.
up. This is the snowboard that we skated, so it has
Oh,
holes
you
in
got through the snowboard. This is definitely gonna break.
Wow, yeah.
Let's break it.
You did well, huh? Look at that.
But watch.
Oh, dude, our timing's on point.
Oh, yeah.
The Line X hardly makes an indestructible snowboard. Ha!
Jump on it.
Betty just had to go. Oh, no. It's gonna become loose earlier.
I found it. Hold on, I want to see how far we can get it in now.
Wait, we need that hammer.
That is gone, dude.
Alright,
I love that they shook hands.
3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Because like we just slip off right away. 1.
Yeah, there was a break.
2, 1.
Yeah!
2, 1.
Yeah!
Maybe Fenny's got it.
Whoa.
Nope. I also don't want to litter the trail with like fragments.
Yeah.
It was cool to say that we broke a snowboard. Never done that before.
So are we crushing this mountain now? What are we doing? Let's go.
A huge thanks to Sierra Tahoe for hooking us up at the mountain. You guys are the absolute best. And Santa Cruz Snowboards for hooking us up with all the gear. Check out all the other videos right there. You guys are the best. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and we'll see you in the next video. I knew that was coming. I saw it through the lens. We actually had the hammer as well, so it was like either he's gonna hit me with the hammer or the snow.